Welcome back to the $1,000 challenge. If you guys are still unsure what the $1,000 challenge is we start off with $1,000 and we're going to try to build it up until we can actually make $1,000 per week. So today is trade number 4. Today's trade was the Lululemon Iron Condor. Let's get into the trade. So as you can see, Lululemon all the way back from May was bouncing around 320-ish all the way down to 290, and it's been going on this for about 2 months now. Just in the last, I would say month or so, since end June and July, you'll see it's basically just having a tight range right through the 300 to around 320 range. So what we did something called an Iron Condor. The Iron Condor basically is stating that I do not think it's going to drop below 300 by this Friday, and I don't think it's going to go above 325. So let's look at our trade. Our trade here is, looking at Lululemon, I made the trade when it was $312.92. So what this is saying is by next Friday, they're expecting a $14 move. So a $14 move will bring it to around 322, 23, 24, 25, around $326. So I came down here and I sold a 325 call, and you can see the delta. So right here, the D is at 24. That means there's a 24% chance that this is going to hit 325. I then sold, or then I bought a 330 just in case if it does go that far. On the flip side, I sold a 297.5 and bought a 295. And you can see that I sold the 297.5, meaning I don't think it's going to go to 297. And the delta is a 16, so there is about a 16% chance that it's going to go down to 297. So what we did here is we bought and sold a vertical call and did a vertical put, which is going to be an Iron Condor. So hopefully by this Friday, the stock stays in this range right here. Once again, this is trade number 4, which was the Lululemon trade, and we're risking around, I think around $300 or so to make over $100, and that's going to be in the video or in the description as well. I just don't have it offhand. I made the trade on Friday, today's Sunday. So don't forget to subscribe to our alerts. The subscribe button's right there. It's going to help out the channel a lot, and we'll make sure that you get all of our videos. And hopefully this is a profitable trade, and look forward to trade number 5.